Sweet life is made of sweet memories. Jinhe wants to make everyone's life sweet and better. We have been devoted to making everyone enjoy a healthy life. That is our mission. Our goal is achieved by the contributions we made in our industry. Anhui Jinhe has long been a leader in independent innovation and is in possession of many patents. With our extended industrial chain, advanced technology, great marketing strategy, eco-efficient economy, excellent location, we are able to be the leader in the sweetener and flavor market. Under the philosophy of steady development, Jinhe Group, as the holding company for Jinhe, has grown rapidly over years. At the same time, Jinhe Group has played an important role in environmental protection and social responsibility for our community. Protecting the environment and creating value for our customers are always the focus of Jinhe. With a complete network of waste treatment plants, Jinhe is able to deal with air pollution through waste gas treatment plants, solid waste through incineration plants, and wastewater through sewage treatment plants. These facilities demonstrate our determination in protecting our environment and our concentration on developing sustainable growth. After over 20 years of diversified business units, Jinhe now has more insights into the food additives industry. Starting from the 1990s, Jinhe made breakthroughs in flavors and sweeteners, paving the way for the advent of wholesome delicacies. We promote quality and demand perfection in particular. Advanced testing instruments, multi-level warehouse, control center for automation, and modern production workshops are to ensure efficiency and high quality. Every detection shows our pursuit of quality. Every selection reveals our promise of taste. We base our superb quality on meticulous detection. World-class R&D and production convey the essence of modern food technology. Such efforts make every molecule green and efficient. With extensive experience, Jinhe quickly built a large-scale sucralose production workshop. With dedication to control for quality in key processes, good management of production equipment, strict implementation of process procedures, and stringent execution of internal product standards allowed Jinhe to rank among the top 3 sucralose producers in 2017. This is a sweet leap forward Jinhe made. Our customers include various world-famous food corporations, beverage companies, formulation companies, and etc. Our marketing services and distribution channel make up a diverse system that touches every corner of this world. carving out a perfect supply network. Consumers, therefore, can experience something exceptional. Jinhe Flavorant has won international reputation. Devotion in every action. Better taste, healthier life. Anhui Jinhe Industrial Co Limited.